Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to embed a Google Forms on your Wix website. The first thing you need to do once on your Wix editor page, you're going to decide the section that you would like to embed the Google form on. As you can see right here, I have a blank section that I'm going to be adding it to. If you would like to create a blank section on your Wix website, all you'll need to do is hover over the section that you would like to create a blank section on, and you're going to see the option Add Section. You're going to tap on that. Then from the pop-up option on the left-hand menu option right here, you're going to tap on Blank Section, and you will see a blank section appear on your Wix website. Once that has happened, you can simply scroll down, tap on the blank section. After selecting it, I want you to go into Google Forms, and then from there you can select the form that you would like to embed. Let's say, for example, I would like to embed this form. After you have selected the form, all you'll need to do now, you're going to go up to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on Send. After tapping on Send, what I want you to do next, you're going to tap right here, which is the embed icon, and then from there you're going to tap on Copy. After you have copied the code, you're going to go back into Wix and you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and tap on the plus that says Add Elements. After tapping on the plus, you're going to select Embed Code. Then from there, you're going to select Embed HTML and you're going to simply drag and place it on your website. So let's do that real quick. So we'll drag and place it right here. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, you are going to simply tap on the embed code box. So you can see the box right here. And then you are going to tap on enter code. After tapping on enter code, you want to ensure that you have selected code. And you are going to paste the code that you have copied. Now once you have pasted the code, you will see the update option. If you don't see it, you are going to scroll down. Then you are going to tap in the box that you have pasted the code once more, and you can see the update option right here. You're going to tap on update. After doing that, you can close the pop-up window. Then from there, you're going to simply pull along the box right here to adjust how your form looks. So you can adjust it right there. You can also use the cursor to carry it higher on the page if you want, and then you can pull along the box, as you can see right here. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.